going to Knott's Berry Farm. Special edition, we have McKay today. And Nicole.
Oh my god.
Say hi.
Bronson, your cousin's with us, so. See you there, Bronson.
Cousin.
Ooh. Bronson, she said you have no dick.
Last one. We'll see you when we get to Knott's.
But yeah, 2-hour drive, so I don't know what I'm gonna do then. I'll probably just record when we get there. Are you gonna ride any rides?
Yeah. With you.
So, I just woke up from a nap. Annie was laying on me and she took up all the space and I was about to push her off the seat. But our 2-hour drive turned into a 3-hour drive. And we're like 10 minutes away from Knott's, so
Look at what time it is.
we're supposed to get there at 7, but it's okay. And I'll just see you guys at Knott's. So you can't see me, but you can see Annie. But Annie, so we're gonna play a game. I did this with Matt in the other vlog. So I'm gonna just say a bunch of people's names and you're gonna give your honest opinion about them. Are you ready?
Okay. Ready.
Okay, Annie. Jose Morales.
Stop! No more! We're here!
So many people.
Disneyland! Dante, wake up! Bro! Dante! No! Jace move, you know? Hey, how was the bus ride? How's the bus ride?
It was kind of funny.
I heard someone threw up. Was that Dante?
That was Dante.
Too big.
Alright, so we finally made it. After a 3-hour drive to Los Angeles, we finally made it to Knott's Scary Farm. I got E-Bar with me.
And me.
Oh my god. How does it feel to be on your period?
Not good.
Not good.
You're not vlogging.
I'm not on my period.
Oh yeah, he is. Well,
It's like they're singing spoon and like, you know.
Like what?
Shit car.
Look what she's doing. She's holding my hand. What are you doing? We're not even official yet. Guys, I'm apologizing in advance because the audio is a little hard to hear and it gets kind of dark. Come on, guys. We have to go. We have to go, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry. Come on, come on, hurry.
gotta go, we gotta go.
We have to go. Whoa, don't run into him. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. Wait, Jericho. So we're not going to Disneyland?
No, we're not going to Disneyland, dude.
Damn it. Okay, Ibar, it's my first time here at Knott's Scary Farm. Are you going to protect me from all the scary monsters?
Obviously.
Obviously?
Yeah. We got budget.
Placed by 2 girls. So.
Oh.
Sorry.
Well, Bronson Reyes, dude! Dude, some kid just ran in. Freaking G.
Nice camera.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Love you. How long has it been since you've been here, Bronson?
Yeah, I've been here for like 3 minutes.
It's honestly really scary, and it's only dark. I have not encountered any monsters yet, so that's the good thing. All right.
Hey, TJ, go in that corner, bro. I heard there's candy there.
Really?
Yeah, go.
All right, so I found some cool kids.
Hi.
What's your guys' name?
Ryan.
Ryan,
Mason.
Mason, and
Wesley.
Wesley. Ryan, Mason, and Wesley.
And Christian.
Yeah, guys, just subscribe to the channel, and you guys are.
Subscribe. You're my
Yeah.
#1.
Okay, so we're about to get on this ride. I'm excited and scared at the same time. That first ride wasn't that bad at all, bro. How bad did that dude scare you?
Dude, that dude scared me. 9.
9?
He said nothing.
Oh, nothing? Nothing? Bro, that dude didn't scare me at all. The camera just at my face was because I was shocked, not scared. Annie ran away like a little girl, though. Dude, Bronson scared me. It was this walker. This walker came up to us.
Get away.
And he shocked. I'm just trying to buy some gift. Okay, now we're at the gift shop, but
Gift shop.
yeah, they can't get us anything, you know?
Shopping montage.
Why'd you montage?
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see the
People said 70.
If you can't hear him, Bronson is talking about fucking math equations.
In the middle of Not Scary Farm.
In Not Scary Farm. Oh, and Annie screamed in the gift shop, screaming, "You can't do that" to one of the actors here at Not Scary Farm. Annie, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Where's the restaurant?
Alright guys, we're gonna count how many times Annie screams in this video. Starting now. This walker came up to us.
Get away.
Okay. Okay, making noise is gonna attract them. Don't do that. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, teacher, stop. No. We're not going.
No, Annie. Just walk by.
No, get away.
Thank you.
Where'd it go?
It's okay. It's
Oh, heck no. Oh, no. It's still there.
her. Okay.
Stop screaming at me.
Okay. Okay, so another dark clip, but just before this
I want a
clip.
Squirtle, bro. Look at that. I'm trying to get a Squirtle. That shit's adorable, bro.
So is Bronson a good cousin to you?
What's that?
What does that mean? I'm honestly enjoying this trip because I'm spending it with you. Notice Josh hasn't been in my vlogs lately. Josh, how are you? Good. Are you enjoying your time here so far?
Honestly,
Amanda just burped, bro. She's a keeper, man. We're still in line. Got a long way to go.
30 minutes. No, it's not been 30 minutes.
I know. I think we've been faster. This line is faster. This line was faster, honestly. Okay, Bronson, we're gonna play a little game. I did this with Matt in the other vlog. So I'm gonna just list a bunch of names, and you're gonna tell me your honest opinion about them. Are you ready? Alright, let's do this. Okay guys, you can't see Bronson, but the camera is pointing at him. So, the first person is Josh Barrera.
That's my president right there for choir, bro.
Cedric Soriano.
That is cool, man.
That's not what you said earlier.
Shut the fuck up.
Annie Ko.
Loud.
Nice. Your cousin Michaela. White. Amy Basilis.
Cedric.
Amanda.
Dude, we had English like 3 years in a row now. Like, I'm not even kidding.
My ex.
Serious? I don't know.
Bro.
Ew, stop.
So Annie and I were gonna put it out there like a few months later on, you know, January.
This shit is so gross, bro.
I know, no one thought we were gonna be together, but we're actually together. Like, yeah.
God.
So Bronson and I have been in this line for I think an hour, but we're almost there. Okay, so what you guys saw there, it was pretty dark, but I couldn't get all of our reactions, but we got through it, and Annie got so scared. Okay, so Sam wanted to be in my vlog. Do something funny.
Promote something
Fuck
funny.
these
Wait, my alarm
mazers.
is going off. I just wanted to say we're here, we conquer, we came.
So guys, it was a good ass day here at Not Scary Farm. I'm about to go to my mom and dad's car, and we're gonna be on our way to San Francisco, but I would do a horrible transition to the outro. So, see you guys there. Alright guys, thank you for watching this very, very dark vlog. Make sure to give a thumbs up on this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Down below.
You are my only, you